Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a PayPal account using your iPhone. Open the App Store, search for PayPal, and download the app. Launch the PayPal app. On the welcome screen, tap Sign Up or don't have a PayPal account yet. Enter your phone number and tap Next. PayPal will send you a verification code by text. Enter the code to verify your phone number. Enter a valid email address and create a strong password. Tap Next. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Make sure you're at least 18 years old as PayPal requires it. Tap Next. Enter your address details. Review and accept the user agreement and privacy statement by checking the box. Tap Create Account. PayPal will prompt you to link a bank account or credit/debit card. You can either skip this step by tapping Skip or Add it now by following the prompts. Linking a bank or card is recommended to use your PayPal account fully, but it's not required to finish the setup. Once set up, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. You'll see your PayPal balance and options to link a bank or card at the top of the screen.